you sneeze with your eyes open, will they pop out? Over 10,000 people ask Mythbusters to test this nightmare. A sneeze rockets out of your face at 120 miles per hour. It is the fastest reflex in the human body. The brain forces your eyes to shut. It's impossible to stop. Jamie tried. He sniffed pure black pepper. Failed. Even he couldn't fight the reflex. His eyes slammed shut instantly. So Adam decided to go full psycho. He used his fingers to physically pry his eyelids open. He looked like a sleep paralysis demon. Did they fly across the room? No. The optic nerve held them tight. Your eyes are safe, but you look like a total idiot doing it.